channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
So guys, we're here now in the Silver Pagoda, and this is only beside the Royal Palace. So let's explore around. Here what I can show you is the printing on the wall. This painting is telling the story of the history of Khmer.
Tout ce que dans la culture fait la pagode, ou en cambodgien c'est Wat. Wat Preah ou la pagodation, par exemple, le temps principal, les carreaux sont. Et nous, les cambodgiens, c'est la pagode des nous. Parce que l'islam et nous
You can see the whole painting on this wall until there. All these paintings are telling the history of Khmer Empire. You can see the architectural here. It's really nice. You can see the designs. See on my back. Now we're going to go around here and I'll show you some part of it because some part is restricted. We cannot take a picture or video. So this part is still under renovation. Oh. We cannot go in. We can go inside, but I cannot take a video. So only here I can show you the surrounding. And inside, guys, there is a statue which is made of jade. It's really nice, and most of the statue and antiques inside are really the wall all around here are full of painting which tells the story and history of Khmer. There is a miniature of Angkor Wat inside here, so let's look around. Oh, there you are. So this is one of the antiques here. That is the shops for souvenirs. This is a spindle. It's also antique. Card here. Guys, this is also one of the antiques for weaving. You can see. And this is the product. Now they're preparing it because they're going to weave something. So guys, this is also a gallery.